So what's up, YouTube? Here's part 2, I guess. I isolated everything back there, so I flipped this thing over, and when I torqued it, when I actually tied the screw there down, I could see bubbles coming out over here after the vehicle was primed. And so I tightened up everything. There was water coming. I mean, there was bubbles. There was no bubbles coming from the tank. That's of course coming from the tank over there. No bubbles, clean feel. Everything was good till I got in here. When it was coming out here, we still had some bubbles. So I torqued it down tight, and then the bubbles reduced here. So my problem lies here somewhere in this area. This is not the issue, it's actually this one. So I think I'm gonna need just a new set of gaskets, or whatever they call it, copper washers that go here, and then that should take care of my problem, because right now I got bubbles coming back. There goes, boom, and it's going back to the tank. So there's definitely an issue here. That's it.